We're at Bardstown Bourbon Company, and we're going through the bottling process for our WildCask Bourbon project. We have had a 2-semester-long class where we've gone through brand development, and this is the final step for us actually making the product.
Since this was the first brand, it had to be something that represented not only the university, but the institute itself. A lot of the bourbon labels you see, there's not much going on. They're very blank and the same, and we wanted to kind of beat that sameness that you see on the shelf. And we really wanted the oak tree to be that center of the story because it is the center of the craft.
We've actually taken a bourbon concept that they came up with, learned about compliance, pricing, finances, brand design, all of the things that go into that, and actually use it as a class project, which is culminating today in our bottling. The students are super excited. For them to see their class project come to fruition has just been tremendously exciting for them.
All of our class is hard work throughout the 2 semesters that we've been doing this, and everything that we've gotten to learn from creating a brand concept all the way to actually selling it to distributors and getting it out there, and just being able to kind of be the face of the next generation of bourbon has been a really cool thing in itself.
Well, it's a little bit of a sort of pinch me, is this real sort of a day, because really after 13 years, finally coming to this point where the students have put out this incredible product, and it's just beyond anything we could have expected. It sold out in 26 hours. The product tastes and is amazing. No one's going to be disappointed with that, but it's more the community's support of the students. Knowing that this is going back to support programming is just part of the drive, and we've had all these people sign up to come and collect their bottles. That is very gratifying to see that support for the next generation. It's really had nothing to do with any of us, it's all to do with those students, and that's why we're here on this campus. It's a dream come true.